To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 fasteners securing the housing. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF4003 filter into the housing. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.